Hey, it's supposed to feel hard. It's supposed to feel hard. I gotta know how to do this when I'm hey, pushing off his front leg. I'm pushing off of it. Everybody got it. And I'm under control. Yo, gotta be explosive and dynamic.